Midterm elections are right around the corner here in the United States. But if you're like me, you hate all the politics that are in social media. You log into Facebook or Instagram just wanting to catch up with your friends and see what they're doing. You don't want to be inundated with political ads and political content. However, the nice thing is you can turn that feature off. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, I'm first just going to go through it on Facebook. So open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. And you can see at the bottom right is menu. Just tap on the menu button. Or if you see three lines at the top left, tap on those. Or if you see a profile at the top right, tap on that. Next, we're going to get to your settings. So tap on Settings and Privacy. And then under it, tap on Settings. From here, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to Preferences, and we're going to tap on Content Preferences. And now under what you can see is political content. So let's just tap on that. It says you can manage suggested content about things like governments, elections, social topics, etc. All you need to do is turn this off to not see political content on Facebook. But if you hop out of here, you can also do the exact same thing on Instagram to prevent it, and I'll show you a trick to do that in YouTube as well. So tap on your profile at the bottom right on Instagram, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. From here, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to the section that says what you see. And again, we're going to choose Content Preferences here. From there, all you need to do is tap on Political Content, the third one down. And again, suggested political content, all you need to do is toggle this off, and it will not suggest political content from governments, agencies, elections, all of that stuff. However, let's say you want to do the same thing on YouTube. Unfortunately, there's no one button that disables or turns off suggested political content within YouTube, but there is a trick to be able to do that. All you need to do is scroll through your YouTube feed, and if you see anything related to politics, let's say this one, it's not related to politics, but let's say this is related to politics, all you need to do is press and hold on it, and then tap the Not Interested button. This is the best way to do it within YouTube and to tell the algorithm that, hey, I don't want to see any political content or political ads here in 2026 as the midterm elections near. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.